thanks for tuning in. Today I want to do a quick unboxing video. I picked up a couple of pieces, as you can see on the side here, and I'm really excited to share them. I just got back from shopping, so if I look a little rough, that's why. It's also really warm, so I have the fan on, so if you hear it, I hope it's not too distracting, but the fan is on just so that I don't hyperventilate while I film this video. The first item is from Miu Miu right here. I really like the color of their bags. It's really cute. I haven't purchased something from Miu Miu in a really long time, and there was just something that was calling me into the store, and I walked out with this item, and their packaging is like really robust, I have to say. Oops, everything's falling out. All right, so this is a little care booklet. It looks like you can add the items directly into here if you wanted to, or like stick them in so that they stay stationary. This is the little dust bag, which is adorable. And inside are these earrings. I'm gonna try to do a good job sharing what they look like. And they are these really glam earrings. They look so, so pretty. I just like put them against my ear and my hair, and they just look so good. I was really, really excited about these, so I had to grab them. Let me see if I can put them. Oh yeah, I can. They are a little sideways because the earrings are a hook, but this is effectively what they look like. So cute. And they're really light. They're really, really lightweight. They're all Swarovski crystals, they were telling me. If something were to fall out for some reason, I could take them back. But I think these are new for their recent, probably spring collection. And they were just calling my name. This is a style that I have been looking for. Like recently, I've been looking into like Alessandra Rich earrings, which are also really gorgeous, but they all look so like large and heavy. And I can't do with very heavy earrings. My ears ache. For clip-ons, I also can't like have them in my ears for too long because then they start to hurt. So these are just super light, not in like I feel like these are a really cheap way, but they're just light for the amount of bling they have. And I just feel like this color against my hair color just really pops. And so I just had to add these to my collection. The next place I stopped at was Chanel, and you might notice that this is the holiday camellia. They apparently had run out of their regular camellias, so they were putting on the holiday camellias, which is fine by me because last holiday season I really, really liked the holiday camellias, and I wanted to get some, like buy something so I can get the camellias, which is really silly, I know. But I couldn't. There wasn't anything that I really wanted to add to my collection, so I couldn't justify the purchase, and given all of that, I actually missed my chance in picking up the camellia, so I'm not complaining now that I have them. So I actually picked up 2 items, and this is also really fun. So the first one is in this box. Let me take the camellia off. So this is the box, and inside is this bracelet. Now you can't see because it's pinned in. This is the enamel bangle that I picked up from Chanel, and this was actually part of the Chanel sale, which was very exciting. So it was 40% off, and it just looked really nice with the kind of stack that I went in with today. And it's a really simple like pink, cream, and gold colorway. that would go with a lot of items, and so I just thought it's nice to have for the summer months. And because it's enamel, there's nothing that's gonna like fall off. There are no rhinestones, there are no pearls, there's nothing that's gonna come off. And so I thought this was a really great piece to add. This is from 19C, which means it would be from the 2018 cruise. No, sorry, 2017-2018 cruise. So it's 2 years old. So if that gives you a sense for the cycle of items going on sale, it looks like it's on about 2-year cycles. But yeah, this was a nice item. I thought it was great at 40% off, so I decided to pick it up. And the next item is in this little box right here.
Super cute. And try to take off the ribbon. Very long ribbon for that.
Alright, here's the little box, and I'm going to take all of this out. And this is packaged like this. This is the first time actually I've seen this kind of packaging. And let me just grab, awesome, okay. So, this is the item, the other item I picked up. It's another accessory or jewelry item. So this is a ring. It's a really cool, like medallion style ring. Actually, my boyfriend was really interested in this one. So we got it to wear together. It looks really good on him too, as like a pinky ring. It's like masculine enough and kind of tough looking, but also just really simple. So this was really cool, and it was at a really great price point, I have to say. Again, no rhinestones, no pearls, nothing that's gonna fall off. It is purely just designed straight on the metal. And this isn't from a particular collection. This says RAV on it, which my understanding is that means these are their classic pieces that come out over time, or sometimes they'll pull pieces from their archive and like bring them back. So this was the only one that was in the boutique, so I'll leave the information down below as well. But here you go. And the 54 is probably the size. So that's the other item that I picked up today. All right, so that's everything that I picked up today. I know it was a quick unboxing, but there were some exciting items in there. It's always exciting to get Chanel on sale. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below or head on over to Instagram. I'd be happy to help however I can. I will be leaving all of the details of the items in the description box below, so click down there for more details. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your feedback and support. If you like this kind of content, I post new videos every Sunday, so if you'd like to be one of the first to know, feel free to subscribe. So until next time, bye!